Tell you a story about our refrigerator. First, we've got a Cheers menu on the outside. Yes, they sell them at the tourist gift shop, whatever. But, oh, I got a thing to remind us about the decoration. These door handles have this spring clip. You can't really. There you go. See how it's broke right there? It means the other side's gonna break before long. And don't know exactly when. So we're gonna replace it. Bought a replacement handle off of Amazon. It'll work on either door handle. But obviously we're just going to use it here. New handle working great. We can get in the fridge easy without worrying about it breaking and not latching. By the way, if you don't have one of these things to circulate the air in here to keep your fridge from freezing up, you need to get one. Matter of fact, ours quit running. Got to replace the batteries about every 2 months. I'll throw some new batteries in there. And we'll get it done. Like I said, 2 size D batteries. Doesn't run fast. It's not loud. You can't hear a noise. The noise you do hear is from our ice maker. But just set it in here and it'll keep the air circulated, and your fridge won't freeze. There are just 2 screws. I'm not using the drill with the screwdriver bit on this because I don't want to strip anything out. Then I want to replace the fridge. So now you can really go tell where that was broken. So I'll get the other one. Old and new. Look exactly the same.
Did you say they look exactly the same?
Yes, ma'am. A couple people said the back of the handle was different. Not for us, apparently. My lovely wife just asked me how much this was. I think it was $15 or something like that. I'll put a link in the description. Hang on to your tools, people. Maybe I should make that drill sound. Did you buy it? I doubt it. I'm not that convincing of an actor. Alright, there is something different between the two. I'm used to pushing further up here, and that doesn't work very good. You can push it. I'll show you what I mean. Here's the top one. See how much room there is? Bottom one, no room. It's almost like it's pushed in already. That should really be changed. It does work though, so we are good to go. Well, thank you for watching this little quick how-to. I don't know if you want to call it a tutorial or not, but little how-to on how to replace that refrigerator handle, Dometic, in an RV. And I will put an Amazon link down below. It is an affiliate link, so we do get a little small commission if you use it. On something that price size, it'll just be a few pennies probably. But anything helps. So, like, subscribe, share, comment, you know, all that good stuff. Don't forget to dingle the bell. Okay, bye-bye. Love y'all.